Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to another Daily Market Outlook. My apologies for not uploading consistently this week. Was very busy with some new projects, but I'm very happy to announce that I will be focusing on signals even more, and we will be moving signals to Telegram to make it just a little bit more easy and accessible for you all. So more on that this weekend. I'll be shifting all of that to Telegram. But yeah, more on that this weekend. And without further ado, let's dive into the markets, because the markets have been blessing myself. So let's see what is going on. So yeah, starting off the dollar index of course dropped exactly from my line of 105.260, which I had drawn on for I think over a week. So we saw that coming miles away. So we saw an initial dump, but then another pump up. And why is that? Well, the market needed to kind of show us a corrective pattern before falling down in towards the low. So what did we see? We saw this beautiful 1, 2, boom, fake out on the second high drop. Now what are we seeing? Pullback, boom, another drop. So I also saw this drop coming this morning. I also shared a signal in the premium chat. I'll share that signal shortly, but looking at the dollar index at the moment, I am anticipating on a further correction in towards the downside, as we have this massive overextended move in towards the highs and do need to see a correction very soon. My apologies for the person who is cleaning around here, but let's head into Aussie dollar. So Aussie dollar currently is dumping in towards the lows from this area of imbalance. Not much to be said, to be honest, on Aussie dollar. Just expecting further downside in the near future. There are a lot of areas of supply, but nothing really that obvious that we can use. Then euro dollar. So euro dollar is inside demand. I was looking for some longs. Currently looking for further upside once again, in line with dollar index dropping down lower. However, at the moment, we do need to first of all take out this high and this high. Only then will I be looking for some longs. Then pound dollar. So it took a beautiful pound dollar long this morning, 118 pips in towards the highs. Yeah, easy money. Share this inside the VIP community. So what are we looking at on pound dollar at the moment? Well, I'm looking for a further correction up in towards the highs after a very overextended move in towards the downside. Looking at where pound dollar is currently reacting to, we are currently looking at this area of imbalance. So these two wicks together are forming the area from where we reversed from. So I am expecting further upside. If we look at that area on the 4 hour, what you'll then see is an area of consolidation filled with imbalance candles. So very interesting to see that higher time frame wicks are in balance on the lower time frame. Hence why I was looking for those pound dollar longs and shared this with the VIP community this morning. So at the moment, I'm waiting for further upside, pretty much all the way up here for a target of approximately 360 pips in total. So yeah, that's pound dollar, expecting a further push up. But yeah, I mean, we could still move further down once again, but I just really loved seeing us pull back in towards this area of demand, and I therefore decided to take a long. But yeah, like I said, we could still see one further dump, and then for instance a long, take out liquidity underneath this low, see some lower time frame trend changes. But yeah, for the rest, nothing really interesting to explain on pound dollar. Kiwi dollar still in demand, but yeah, we popped out of it, but we can still see a further upside move. However, yeah, Kiwi dollar also not really that interesting, to be honest. Then we have gold. So gold pushed up and pumped up from my area of demand on the daily. Now looking at the 4 hour is bearish after taking out this low located over here. So my apologies for the messy chart. Let me just clean it up slightly. So we're currently bearish from this swing high down towards this swing low. Currently waiting for a further pullback, at least all the way here on gold, to look for potential shorts from these areas of supply. Yeah, I'm not saying that it's going to go up, but if it does go up, then there's going to be a shorting possibility. So yeah, that's all for today, guys. Just showing you some other pairs. So Aussie CAD eventually dumped all the way down from when I mentioned it. I think it was like 2 weeks ago. Easy, what was it, 255 pips. Then CAD Swiss, I don't know if you guys remember that signal, but I did share this inside the VIP channel as well. Went all the way for 226 pips. Shared this, I think, in the free community on Discord as well. Easy money. Called it when we were trading over here that we were going to start dumping from there. For the rest, pound yen, called this as well multiple times inside the community. So you can really see this supply and demand liquidity kind of strategy is really the thing moving forward. I'll be giving you guys some more information and insights on that. So yeah, stay tuned for the Telegram with all those signals. It's going to be super accessible and super easy to access for all of you. And then let's get some FTMOs in. And by the way, dollar Swiss as well, called it when we were trading over here. So yeah, I mean, markets are looking juicy as ever. So really good trading weeks on my end. We'll keep you guys posted and see you inside the Telegram signal chat very soon. Thanks guys.